Hey guys, I just got the PS5 Hogwarts Legacy game. I'm interested in how long before or how long after inserting the disc it will take to actually get playing the game. So we see I just inserted the disc and it says copying 0%. So if I click there, it says installing game contents needed to start playing, and it's calculating the remaining time. So it says 40 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes now. After the installation is complete, you'll be able to start playing the part of the game that's installed. You can return to the home screen to play another game until this game becomes playable. To check the copy progress, press the PlayStation button and then select Downloads/Uploads. So okay, it seems it's speeding up at least a bit, so maybe 20 minutes before you can actually start playing. I think that's quite reasonable, kind of, but still, if you got the game as a Christmas gift and you got a PS5 as a Christmas gift, then you kind of have to maybe allow maybe 30 minutes for getting the PS5 set up. The actual setup process for downloading the updates, if you have a good internet connection, it might maybe just takes 10 minutes, but just getting it out of the box and hooking everything up and figuring it out, maybe 30 minutes, and then another 20 minutes for installing the game. So it might be around an hour before actually starting to play the game. So if you got it as a Christmas gift for a younger child, maybe might be a good idea to just unbox it in secret in advance and do those installation steps, so then when the gift is opened it's actually ready to go. Thanks for watching.